When we learn something, the knowledge moves into the long-term memory. However, how easily we can bring that knowledge back into the working memory to support new learning depends on how many times we have tried to do so, and how much time has passed between the original learning and when it is needed again. If you don't retrieve it, the memory fades. You need to recall or retrieve information you've learnt several times for it to become easily accessed in future learning. You can accelerate the solidification of memories or ensure they don't fade if you keep bringing them back into your working memory. By actively engaging in retrieval practice, by testing yourself on trying to remember what you've learned, you strengthen the neural pathways the memories travel along, which helps make memories stick. Anytime you have to think about a piece of knowledge and actively reproduce it, you are engaged in retrieval practice. So, when you are asked a verbal question, when you are quizzed, when you are asked to be in a discussion, when you are asked to participate in a group, and when you are asked to do an assessment, all of these are opportunities to strengthen your memory of content. There is a large amount of research that tells us that doing this testing is far superior than simply rereading your notes. When you reread your notes, you're not challenging the brain to strengthen the memory. The brain isn't really doing much at all when it just rereads. This is why your lecturer or tutor will ask you lots of questions and ask you to reproduce your knowledge in some form many times. Each time you do, you are strengthening your memory of the topic. Of course, you don't need your tutor to ask you these questions. You can ask them to yourself and do your own retrieval practice to help strengthen your memory and understanding of all of the topics you study. Here are some ways that you can do this.